Walmart moves over $648 billion a year, but the real money machine is hiding in plain sight. How did a small-town Arkansas store become the most powerful financial empire in retail history? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Walmart engineered a financial system that rivals entire nations. Every week, 240 million customers walk through Walmart doors, and Walmart profits from nearly every single transaction. This is the untold story of how Walmart became America's most powerful retail finance machine, step by step. It starts in Bentonville, Arkansas, the quiet hometown of the most dominant retail corporation on earth. Sam Walton opened his first store in 1962 with one obsession: sell more for less than anyone else. Walton's pricing strategy was revolutionary. Buy in massive bulk, cut supplier costs, pass savings to shoppers. By 1990, Walmart had grown to 1,500 stores and topped every American retailer in annual revenue. But here's what most people never knew. Walmart was building something far more powerful than a store. Walmart operates 10,500 stores across 24 countries, employing over 2.1 million people worldwide. Walmart's U.S. stores alone cover 700 million square feet. That's larger than Manhattan Island itself. Inside each Supercenter, up to 142,000 different products sit waiting, from groceries to financial services. Walmart generates more daily revenue than the GDP of 50 smaller countries every single day of the year. If you're learning something new today, hit that like button right now. This story only gets bigger. The financial machine begins with Walmart's legendary supply chain, the most sophisticated on the planet. Walmart runs 210 distribution centers across America, covering over 145 million square feet of warehouse space. Every day, Walmart's private truck fleet logs over 700 million miles annually, circling Earth 28,000 times. Walmart's supply chain gives it extraordinary leverage, forcing suppliers to cut prices or lose access to millions of customers. Our terms are final. We accept. But wait, the next step is where things get really interesting. Walmart's data machine is unlike anything ever built. In 1988, Walmart built the largest private satellite network in America, bigger than most governments operated. That satellite network transmitted real-time sales data from every store directly to Bentonville headquarters instantly. Walmart's Retail Link database became the world's largest commercial database, storing data on billions of transactions. Suppliers like Procter & Gamble could log in and see their own product sales at every Walmart store in America. This gave Walmart an extraordinary advantage. It knew what sold, where, and when, before any competitor could react. Walmart's data empire wasn't just logistics. It was the foundation for an entirely new financial system they'd build next. Walmart serves 90% of the American population within 10 miles of one of its stores, a geographic monopoly. That geographic reach meant Walmart could offer financial services to millions of Americans with no nearby bank at all. Over 25 million Americans are unbanked or underbanked, and Walmart positioned itself to serve every one of them.
Thank you so much for your help.
Of course. Don't forget to subscribe. We drop videos like this every week. Now, can you guess what Walmart built next? In 1999, Walmart made a stunning move. It applied for a federal banking charter to become an actual bank. America's entire banking industry erupted in panic. Over 1,400 banks and credit unions formally opposed Walmart's application. Bankers warned, if Walmart becomes a bank, it could destroy America's entire community banking system overnight. After years of intense political pressure, Walmart withdrew its banking application in 2007. But it wasn't done. Instead, Walmart built a financial services empire inside its stores. No banking charter required whatsoever. The Walmart Money Center launched in 2004, offering check cashing, money orders, wire transfers, and bill payment, all under one roof. Walmart charged fees below every major bank and check cashing service, immediately capturing millions of loyal customers. Within 5 years, Walmart's Money Center was processing over 200 million financial transactions annually. Staggering numbers. But Walmart had a far more powerful card to play. A prepaid debit card that would reach millions of unbanked Americans. Most people have no idea how this one card completely rewrote the rules of American consumer finance forever. The Walmart Money Card launched in 2007 as a simple prepaid Visa, but it was engineered to be much, much more. For just $3 a month, customers got a full-featured bank account alternative without needing a single bank branch. Direct deposit customers could access their paycheck up to 2 days earlier than any traditional bank would allow. Walmart partnered with Green Dot Bank to power the Money Card, creating one of America's most unusual banking alliances. Green Dot handled the banking regulations, while Walmart handled the customers, a perfect division of financial power. By 2014, the Walmart Money Card had over 6 million active cardholders, making it one of America's largest prepaid programs. Every card transaction generated interchange fees, small percentages that added up to hundreds of millions of dollars annually. Walmart then launched its own GoBank checking account in 2014, a full digital bank account available exclusively in its stores. GoBank charged no minimum balance fees and no overdraft fees, features that traditional banks refuse to offer. We're halfway through and the best part is still coming. Share this with someone who needs to see this story. In 2015, Walmart launched Walmart Pay, its own mobile payment system, challenging Apple Pay and Google Pay directly. Unlike Apple Pay, Walmart Pay worked on every smartphone, Android or iPhone, giving it a massive reach advantage. Walmart Pay collected transaction data on every single purchase, building the most detailed consumer spending profile in retail history. That spending data gave Walmart something priceless, the power to offer precisely targeted financial products to the right customer at the right moment. Walmart also entered the tax preparation business, capturing billions more from the 60 million Americans who file simple returns annually. Add auto insurance, life insurance, and health insurance kiosks, and Walmart had quietly become a one-stop financial superstore. In 2021, Walmart made its most ambitious move yet. It launched a dedicated fintech startup called Hazel with Ribbit Capital. Ribbit Capital, the firm behind Robinhood and Credit Karma, brought Silicon Valley financial technology expertise directly into Walmart's universe. Hazel rebranded as One in 2022, a super app combining banking, payments, credit, and savings into a single platform. What you're about to see is something only 1% of people ever realize: how deep Walmart's financial roots truly go. Walmart's financial machine doesn't just serve customers, it runs on 1.6 million American employees as a captive financial ecosystem. Walmart partnered with Even, a financial wellness app, giving employees instant access to wages they already earned before payday. Over 300,000 Walmart employees enrolled within the first year, proving the desperate need for real-time pay access across America. Walmart also launched its own employee college benefit program, paying tuition for degrees in business, supply chain, and technology. Every dollar kept inside the Walmart financial ecosystem, whether spent, saved, or borrowed, generates revenue for Walmart itself. Then came Walmart Plus, the $98 per year membership program that redefined how Walmart earns money from every customer. Walmart Plus unlocked free delivery, fuel discounts, Paramount Plus streaming, and exclusive member pricing for less than $2 a week. By 2024, Walmart Plus had over 16 million paid members, generating nearly $1.6 billion in annual subscription revenue alone. Walmart Plus members spend on average 60% more per year than non-members, making each member extraordinarily valuable. Like this video if you want to see more behind-the-scenes content like this, and keep watching, it gets better. This next step is the reason Walmart's financial machine is so impossible to compete with. It's called the flywheel. Lower prices attract more shoppers. More shoppers mean more buying power. More power means even lower prices. The cycle never stops. Walmart applied this same flywheel logic to financial services. Cheaper fees attract users, more users fund better products. The One App by Walmart now offers a high-yield savings account paying 5% interest, beating most traditional bank rates outright. The One App offers buy now, pay later credit, cashback rewards, and an instant funding debit card. Walmart's financial services division now processes more transactions daily than many mid-sized American banks combined. Walmart Connect, its advertising network, now generates over $3.4 billion annually, funded entirely by supplier marketing budgets. Walmart's healthcare clinics, launched inside 32 stores, add medical billing revenue as yet another financial stream to the machine. Every financial product Walmart builds solves a real customer problem and earns Walmart a fee for solving it. Brilliant by design. We're almost at the final stage, and what Walmart is building right now in 2025 is its most ambitious financial play yet. In 2025, Walmart's One App crossed 10 million active users, making it one of America's fastest-growing fintech platforms ever. Walmart is now building an AI-powered financial advisor feature inside One, giving personalized money guidance to every single user. Walmart is also piloting embedded lending, offering instant small business loans directly to its 100,000 marketplace sellers. Walmart's total financial services revenue now exceeds $15 billion annually, a number that grows larger every single quarter. Walmart processes over $750 billion in annual payment volume, a figure that would rank it among America's top 5 payment networks. Walmart's Bentonville data center now processes over 1 million customer transactions every single hour of every day. Walmart's financial machine is now so deeply embedded in American life that 90 million households interact with it every single week. From a single 5-and-dime store in Arkansas to a $648 billion financial machine in just 63 remarkable years. The last step is the most satisfying of all, understanding exactly why no competitor has ever been able to replicate this machine. Hit subscribe and tap the bell right now, because our next video reveals an even bigger American business story. So why has no competitor ever replicated Walmart's financial machine? 3 words: time, trust, and infrastructure. Time. 63 years of compounding trust that no startup or tech company can buy or shortcut their way into. 90 million families rely on Walmart every week, giving it a loyalty no marketing budget can manufacture.
Hey, sweetie.
It's a family tradition. Infrastructure: 10,500 physical locations, 210 distribution centers, and a private satellite network nobody can replicate overnight. Walmart didn't just build a store. It built a complete financial operating system for everyday American life itself. From satellite networks to super apps, from check cashing to AI advisors, the machine keeps growing. Always. Next time you swipe a Walmart money card or open the One app, remember, you're touching one of the most powerful machines ever built. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button and share it with one person who needs to see this today. Subscribe now and tap the bell. We uncover America's greatest business stories every single week, just like this one. The machine never stops. It never sleeps. And now neither will your curiosity. We'll see you next time.